Today we are taking a peek at a day in the life of a planner, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video is a little bit different. We're going to be actually looking at the day in the life of my planner and how I use it throughout the day. And it's a little bit odd because we're in this lockdown and I'm not using it as much as I used to, because a lot of the things that I'm doing day to day, they're all the same, and so I have them memorized, and so I don't need to check it as much as I used to when I had appointments and meetings and having to take the kids here and there and everywhere. But we're going to do it anyway, and maybe I'll do this again come September or whenever the lockdown's over and my life and my routines are sort of back to normal. So sometimes plans don't happen. Sometimes you write things in your planner and you just either don't get to them, or it gets canceled, or life happens and you just run out of time. Sometimes I don't even check my planner, but things get done anyway. It's kind of like what I said last week. If you didn't watch that video, then I'll send you there after this one's over, but that's the benefit of writing things down in the first place. Sometimes things are decorated, sometimes they're not. But that's the fun part of it for me. Decorating is my creative outlet, and organizing, together those two, it's like my two favorite hobbies. I had a baby and I get to organize and I get to play with paper all in one hobby. Some days I may use 5 planners that day, and other days I may not even look at my main planner. So here's a look at how I use my planner throughout the day. I'm going to give you 2 mornings because my children go to school 1 week on and 1 week off, so I'll give you both. So first thing in the morning, I have my morning routine down pat, so I don't need to look at my planner. Even though things have changed because of the lockdown, I still know what I'm doing and I don't need to check my planner. Once the kids are off to school, that's when I usually check it first. I want to see what's on for the day. I've already checked it the night before, so I know what's going on, meetings wise at least, and I usually have a top 3 list of things I want to get done. In the mornings when I'm homeschooling, I may not look at my planner until after lunch. When the kids are home and I'm homeschooling, I usually do my tasks and work in the afternoon, and when they're at school, I do it in the morning when they're not here. I love to cross things off, so as soon as I finish a task, I will check back in with my planner, cross that task off, and I don't have things written in any sort of order of priority of when they need to get done. There's no schedule to my tasks unless it's a meeting or an appointment. So when I check my planner, I'm just looking to see which task speaks to me, what do I feel like doing first. At the end of my work time, I will look over and see what's left to do. I'll copy things over to the next day if they need to get done, or if I have some ideas of what I want to get done the next day. I'll also check to see what appointments or meetings or anything time sensitive that I need to know. Then I'll kind of lock those times into my brain. Then I'll know when I need to do certain things for tomorrow. Then I just leave my planner on my desk and that's it for the day. It goes to sleep and then I go enjoy the rest of my evening. So that's it, pretty simple. I think of my planner more as my minion instead of a dictator. It's a help to me and a guide. Let me know in the comments below what planner is your main planner. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'll send you here to last week's video where I talk about the benefits of writing by hand. I'm really excited about next week's video, so make sure you have subscribed and your notifications are on, because we are going to be turning your home into a holiday getaway. I'm so excited to do this for myself, so stay tuned for that. You can click here on my little face to subscribe. Here are 2 more videos that I think you'll like. Have a fantastic day and happy planning!